Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix ViewSonic monitor no signal, cable, input source and wake from sleep fix. So fix 1 is check the video cable. Turn off your monitor and computer, then reconnect the HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI or VGA cable. Make sure the cable is firmly connected to the both ends. If possible, try a different cable. Second fix is select the correct input source. Press the menu or input button on the monitor. Open the input select menu, then choose the input you are using. Then check if the display appear. Third fix is wake the computer from sleep. Move the mouse or press a key on your keyboard, then press the computer power button once if it does not wake up. Wait a few seconds for the monitor to detect the signal. Fourth fix is restart the monitor and computer. Turn off the monitor and computer, then unplug both from power for 30 seconds. Plug them back in and turn them on. Check if the signal return. Fifth one is reset the monitor. Open the OSD menu using the monitor buttons, then find the setup menu or information other setting tab. Select memory recall or all reset and confirm the choice. Thanks for watching.